The pedagogy and theory PLO is defined as demonstrating the ability to integrate pedagogical approaches and educational technologies in the practical classroom teaching and training, as well as the ability to reflect on the effective application of technology supported pedagogical approaches. Throughout this Master's in Educational Technology program, I feel that I really have mastered this PLO by researching several different learning and teaching theories. Then, using these learning and teaching theories and the research that I've done to complete several projects that demonstrate my understanding of these theories and how they could be implemented into my teaching. The artifacts that I chose to illustrate this understanding are the EdTech Innovator assignment, the flipped classroom and homework app presentation, the educational technology definition graphic, learning teaching EdTech assignment, and then finally the article review about risk and failure in education. The EdTech Innovator assignment does a really good job of illustrating my understanding because it emphasizes the application of research-based instructional strategies, specifically strategies that lend themselves to STEM and PBL in the authentic classroom setting. This article also highlights how it is important to implement reflective practices by encouraging educators to analyze the effectiveness of their instructional practices. The flipped classroom and homework app presentation also does a good job of illustrating my understanding because it demonstrates how the use of research-based teaching methods with technology in the classroom can be effective. The presentation thinks about how digital tools can improve learning, differentiate, and engage while also noting the challenges of accessing technology, and planning. By linking teaching theory to classroom use and fairness concerns, this presentation shows careful use of the technology supported teaching in the classroom. Now, to finish this off, we have the article review and risk of failure. The article review about risk and failure. This demonstrates my expertise because it illustrates the capacity to apply theoretical knowledge to practical teaching situations. The artifact illustrates an increase in understanding of the existential philosophy as a theoretical framework that informs teaching practice and teacher authority, trust building, and student autonomy. The artifact also illustrates the application of educational theory to reflective practice, which is a fundamental aspect of the pedagogical informed educational technology practice. All of these creations that I've gone over and the report that I've done illustrate my mastery level understanding of both pedagogical and or of both pedagogy and theory in the educational technology field of study. Thank you for listening.